Hi, I'm John Tupper from Intro Car, and what we've got in front of us today is something that some of you will recognise as a handling kit. And for my money, a handling kit is probably one of the most transformational things you can do for a classic Rolls-Royce or Bentley, because they're big, heavy cars, soft, comfortable suspension, but they do suffer from roll. And the handling kit was designed, initially brought in by Harvey Bailey, and basically this is what you get in your standard handling kit. You get a set of 4 uprated road springs, an uprated front anti-roll bar, uprated rear anti-roll bar, and because they're thicker, you need the D bushes as well, because they need to be replaced because the old ones won't fit. So that's your handling kit there in essence. Now, what do you pay for one of these things? Now it's around about, the market price is I think around about £1,150 for this kit as you see it here. And actually for £1,150 you do get a pretty transformational effect on your vehicle. It will really reduce roll around corners, improve your comfort levels, and it does make a lot of difference for your money. So it's quite a good upgrade. Well, when we did this, we thought we could perhaps do a little bit better than that. So when we designed our Prestige parts handling kits, we thought we'd take advantage of the rest of the stock that we carry. So remember that number, £1,150, because it's kind of important. So we thought we'd improve this kit a bit, and for a start we thought if you're going to replace the anti-roll bars, you really should replace the links that go with it. So each one of these is a little bit over £100 and there's 4. So we thought we should add those to the kit. So 4 of those. And also we thought we should put in the spring seats, because you don't want to be putting the old spring seats that have been in there for 20 or 30 years. So we'll pop those in. They're around between £30 and £50 each, and there's obviously 8 of them, 4 springs, 2 of those. So we thought we'd better put those in as well. So 8 spring seats, 4 anti-roll bar links, and now you've got a much more comprehensive kit. So what's the price for all of this with all these extra bits? Well, it's £1,150. We put in everything else at the same price because that's really how the kit should be. The only thing we do give you extra that we charge you for are the nuts and bolts. They're £500. They're not £500, we throw those in as well. So that's what you get in your Prestige parts handling kit. All of this, £1,150, it's the most comprehensive on the market. It'll transform the ride of your car, and I think it's a really great thing to do, and certainly if you're used to modern cars and the way they handle, this will make you feel a lot more comfortable in your old classic. So what are the ranges that we've got these available for? Well, we're doing everything in the classic post-war Rolls-Royce range, so we're doing a kit for the Mark VI R-Type Silver Dawn and Silver Wraith. We already have a kit for the S-Type, S1 to 3 and Silver Cloud 1 to 3. This is the kit for the Silver Shadow, Shadow 2 and T2, and we also have kits for the Silver Spirit series 1980 to 97. So we're going to have a full range, and they all, I can assure you, they all do have a lot more in them than the traditional handling kits that have been available, because we felt that they really did need a little bit more to make them complete and comprehensive.